Welcome to another cooking using my beloved mom's delightful food recipes. And this is her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. You'll find worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Nobles, all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, vscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. So I'm inviting you, let us, I'm going to stabilize my camera here, and let's start cooking. Now we are going to saute olive oil first. I'm very generous with olive oil because it is very, very, very healthy for all of us. And so I'm using a lot of extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed. And today we are going to saute garlic, onions, and snap peas, one of my favorites that my mom always cooked, and also the string beans. We call sitaw in Tagalog, but the string beans here in the USA where I am looks different. So now we're going to drop in our garlic, bawang in Tagalog language. You will notice there are skins still in the garlic. It's alright. Mom said the skins of the garlic also have nutrition, so it's alright. The aroma of the sauteing of our garlic is super flavorful. Thank God for the garlic and so many of our blessings from our Creator. I am giving praise. We just had platter. And so we keep on stirring this until our garlic turns golden brown. Oh my goodness. The super aroma of the sauteing of the garlic is just perfect. Super flavorful. Super aromatic. Wow. I wish you all here with me so you could enjoy cooking and dining our saute, snap peas, string beans, and mushrooms as well. And we're going to use rotisserie chicken, whole rotisserie chicken. And let me get it from my fridge as we are turning into golden brown our garlic. And oh my, the aroma is just perfect. Yum. And now it's a little bit golden brown now. As you keep on cooking the garlic into golden brown, the more flavor it gives out. My goodness, this is super yum. And so this is the rotisserie chicken, pulled, deboned. So we instead just put it quickly. Now, the aroma is just perfect. We're going to drop in our grape tomatoes. It's called grape tomatoes because it's in the shape of grapes. And then there are also cherry tomatoes because it's in the shape of the cherry tomatoes. You see some garlic there as well. And we continue to stir. Wow, the aroma is super perfect, super flavorful, super yum, napakasarap. It's already delicious. Just the aroma is just making us eat already. Even this one is already perfect to eat. Yeah, that's it, you know. Next is our onions. The aroma of the onions as well is super delicious and very, very nutritious. It gives a lot of nutrition attributes for all of us. And this is really going to give such perfect good taste for our satay, snap peas, and string beans. And now we're going to drop in the snap peas, just like so. And then we continue. Oh my goodness, the aroma is just super flavorful. In the Tagalog language, napaka sarap. Super yum. Now we're going to drop in the string beans. We call sitaw in the Tagalog language. And then we continue to stir as well. Oh my, this is super delicious already. The aroma is just inviting you and me to eat. Now we are going to drop some mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. Some nutritionists are saying that you don't have to wash the mushrooms, you just have to wipe it. But to be sure, I just gave it some good wash, a little bit. And then we continue to stir as well. Oh wow, this is super delicious already. Oh my goodness, the aroma is inviting us to eat already. Come on, let's enjoy cooking and dining. And then I'm going to add the rotisserie chicken or lechon for deboned for easy bites, and rotisserie chicken already have flavor in them, so we don't add any more salt. If you like, then just spice it according to your taste. Oh my goodness, this is super yum. This is mouth-watering. salivating. And now we're going to add just 1 or 2 bay leaf. It gives super delicious flavor. And then you take it out until everything is cooked. After everything is cooked. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of soy sauce. As I've mentioned, the rotisserie chicken or lechon is already flavored with salt in there. So I'm adding in Italian seasoning. As you can see, according to your taste. And then excuse me please. I'm adding black peppercorn. The aroma of the fresh grilled peppercorn is super delicious. And then we continue to stir. And you know, you don't have to put any water if you like, but I don't have to put any water because the water will come out from the washing when we wash the snap peas and the string beans and the mushrooms, and they cook quickly. You could even enjoy eating raw mushrooms. Oh my goodness, this is almost done for us to enjoy. Easy does it, isn't it? Wow, really, super yum. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And I'm inviting you to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. When you order here in New York, you'll say right now, 1833.com. You could call over the phone, or you could order online at www.allpressseafood.com. And you're gonna enjoy. This is super yum already. The aroma is inviting you and me. Look at that. It's ready for us to be enjoyed. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. We are going to enjoy this all together. Wow. This is just perfect. Enjoy. Enjoy. We're going to get much chicken and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom and mom and chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter. Taken to over the video, Juanita, Gutierrez, BSED and MSED. Available at Amazon, Retrievers, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED and MSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And I need, oh my goodness, this is ready for us to be enjoyed. Super delicious in the Tagalog language. Napakasarap. Mouth-watering indeed. Are you salivating yet? Are you hungry now? You're all invited to my table. We're gonna love this. We're going to enjoy this. Happy cooking! In the Tagalog language, napakasarap. Super delicious. Come on and cook and come on and eat. See you in the next video. We're going to enjoy this all together. Super delicious. Yummy, yeah. Oh, wow. Enjoy. Yum.